Hey there, welcome back to Bountiful Homestead, where we dig deep into the heart of gardening, sharing tips, tricks, and insights to make your gardening journey as fruitful as possible. Today, we're getting into the nuts and bolts of one of my favorite topics, the incredible advantages of a drip irrigation system. Whether you're a seasoned green thumb or just starting to get your hands dirty, understanding the ins and outs of drip irrigation can be a game changer for your garden. Let's start with the basics. Water is the lifeblood of any garden, but how we deliver that water can make a world of difference. Drip irrigation is like the garden's personal delivery service, bringing water directly to where it's needed most, right at the roots of your plants. This precision not only means happier plants, but also a happier planet. By targeting water delivery, we're cutting down on waste and minimizing evaporation. It's a win-win, really. One of the biggest perks of drip irrigation has got to be water efficiency. Traditional watering methods can be a bit of a scattergun approach, watering areas that don't really need it and missing the spots that do. Drip irrigation systems eliminate this issue, ensuring that water goes exactly where it's supposed to, reducing runoff and evaporation. This not only conserves water, but can also lead to significant savings on your water bill over time. Now, let's talk about the health of your garden. Overhead watering can leave your plant's leaves wet, which can be a welcome mat for fungal diseases. Drip irrigation keeps the water on the ground, not the foliage, reducing disease risk and keeping your plants looking their best. Plus, by delivering a consistent moisture level directly to the soil, your plants can develop deeper root systems, making them more resilient and healthy. But here's a favorite advantage among gardeners: the sheer convenience of it. Drip irrigation can be automated, meaning your garden gets watered on schedule without you having to lift a finger. Going on vacation? Busy week? No problem. Your garden won't even know you're gone. It's like having a reliable gardening assistant, dedicated to keeping your plants thriving, rain or shine. Of course, setting up a drip irrigation system might seem a bit daunting at first, but trust me, it's an investment worth making. Not only for the health and productivity of your garden, but for the peace of mind it brings. Plus, once it's up and running, it's relatively low maintenance. And the best part? You can tailor the system to fit the unique needs and layout of your garden, making sure every plant gets the VIP treatment. If you're thinking, this sounds great, but where do I start? Don't worry, I've got you covered. DripWorks supplies all kinds of excellent drip irrigation supplies and gardening products. They've got everything you need to get started on your drip irrigation journey, and the quality of their products is top-notch. So whether you're looking to save water, reduce disease, or just make your gardening life a bit easier, giving drip irrigation a try could be one of the best decisions you make for your garden. Thanks for tuning in to Bountiful Homestead. Be sure to check out the link in the description, and happy gardening!